So basically, in this documentary, I want to explain why I was in Prattville and all the clips of the damage. The reason why I was in Prattville was because I had a dentist appointment and my dentist was in Prattville. We were on our way home and a tornado had touched down in Selma and went right next to Dallas Avenue Pharmacy where my sister works. So we were trying to go home because the squall line was about to hit Prattville. But if we would have kept on going, we would have ran into the tornado.
Weather situation and the reason we are staying on the air and being repetitive, I realize I'm repeating myself, but we're trying to emphasize the danger of this particular situation with a large and deadly.
We went back to Prattville and went into the Walmart for safety. And when we left, the squall line was just now hitting Prattville.
Look it, bro. Oh. Dang. Oh my, is this what it hurt? My head fell off. Bro, oh. I hope we don't have a tree down in our yard. This is... Bro. Whoa. What was that noise? Oh my god. Bro, my head's about to fly off. Bro. Look at the buggy. Oh, is this what hit our house? We might have a down tree. Oh. Y'all, it's fine, y'all. Woo! Y'all, I'm just showing. Bro, look at this. Oh my. Look at the clouds. Those things look cool. I saw I'm filming it. Did you see that, bro?
Jeez. It's fine. It gets like that. It gets windy like...
I don't want to hit this car.
We had to get my sister's car, which was at Dallas Avenue Pharmacy. So we were on the way to get it. And my dad was going to pick me and my brother up to get my sister's car. And my mom was going home. The lightning is striking all over us. There's a power pole right there with insulators. You said lightning strike, Colt?
Yes.
It was. I'm gonna. Man. In the storm, there was little spin-up tornadoes, and this is an example of that. There, Dad, there's a broken light bulb right there. Golly, there's a broken light bulb there.
I don't know if we're going to be able to go through this one. Let's go back. I don't know.
Oh my. There's a snap pole right there.
How are we going to do that? In strength, the Lord
Dad, there was a broken light bulb in the on side road.
This is what the Apostle Paul said in Ephesians chapter 6, beginning in verse 10.
My.
That's Mom. She's trying to come through.
Be strong in the Lord, and in the strength of his might, put on
They
the
got
full
trees all down up there.
There's
When they
power
turn
poles
around.
snapped.
may be able to stand firm against
Yeah, did you
the
try
schemes of the
Burnsville?
devil.
Or you try this
my.
Not
way?
against flesh and blood.
I don't know. It might have crossed the road right up there.
Against the world forces of this darkness, against the spiritual forces of wickedness in the heavenly
There was straight up power pole
against the devil
snapped.
and his demonic horde.
And there was a light
Therefore,
bulb.
take up the full
broken.
armor of God, that you may be able to resist in
That-
the
this
evil
is-
day,
this is-
and
oh.
having done everything to stand firm.
Oh
Stand firm,
my.
therefore, having girded your loins with truth,
People that won't
and
make
having
it
put
one
on the
time.
breastplate of righteousness, and having shod your feet with the
They
preparation
get
of
it
the
cleaned
gospel
up
of
pretty
peace.
quick.
In addition
I don't
to
know how far
all,
up
taking
there
up
that
the
is.
shield of faith, with which you'll be able to extinguish all
I
the
know.
flaming missiles.
Here's the damage of the outside and inside of Dallas Avenue Pharmacy. Here's pictures around Dallas Avenue Pharmacy. This tornado was right near my school, and it had a church, and the roof was tore off. Here's some pictures of the damage in Selma. The railroad in Selma had its gate ripped out of the ground. I mean, this is just an example of, man, how strong this tornado was. Man, this tornado was pretty strong. I mean, this truck was flipped right over on its side, and that's just, man, I hope there was no one in that, but yeah. This is a Family Dollar in downtown Selma, and the roof had caved in during the tornado. This was a chair that was in the wall after the tornado. Thank you for watching today's documentary. This is my first documentary, and I think we can all agree that this tornado went through Selma was pretty bad.